kindly request Sri K. Vasudeva Rao, the chairman of the conference and the president Bhaktivedanta Institute, to please give a welcome address. So.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे. I was especially struck with wonder when His Holiness responded to a question on whether this is a problem, one of the very important problems of our behavior and the society and whatever we call. Whether can one think his religion is the best? Whether can I claim or think my religion is the best? His Holiness replied, I never claim my religion is the best. Different people need different religions, like different people need different medicine for different problems. Respect for all and compassion for all was his message. I am very struck with awe and reverence after hearing his mission. I am sure today
religion to be truth, which means Satya. And that's why Satyamev Jayate till date remains as the guiding principle for the religious pursuit and also for the pursuit of science everywhere. Satyamev Jayate Nanatam Satyen Pantha Yatato Devyana is the call of the Upanishads. They conceive that the cardinal principle of Satya will enable you to understand the importance of compassion, which is what is called daya in our religious and spiritual literature. But then daya and compassion alone is not enough. They realize that forgiveness, which is kshama, along with daya, is very much important to bring peace. And they also then...
In the search of truth, science has done a lot of work. Similarly, religion have, from the philosophy, different philosophies. Religion originated and then it has given us the way of life, different ways of life. Without that, human being would not have been human being, would have been worse than even animals. Importance of both in our life is immense, no doubt about that. But when both of these, science or religion, have gone into some wrong hands, then it has created havoc.
Now here comes the moment for which we are all anxiously waiting. Now we will request His Holiness to please address the gathering.
respected brothers, we hear no sister, only brothers. There are also sisters. And the rest of the brothers, sisters. So including myself and you also, and most of us, the generation of 20th century. Now, real sort of hope on generation of 21st century. 20th century gone. When we look back 20th century, a lot of killing. First World War, Second World War, including those nuclear weapons, and then Korean War, Vietnam War, and so on. These wars, killing, violence, were created by destructive emotion. So now time comes, we have to think more deeper way, more wider way. Generation of the 21st century. You see, if you should present a situation, the previous sort of centuries of habit, bully, cheating, you decide. So now, generation of the 21st century should think more seriously. Now, because this a lot of suffering, this suffering, human creation, we create this suffering. Except nature disaster, and even global warming, there are all sorts of activities, our behavior, some sort of contribution. Our total negligence, negligence about the global warming, these things. So many our problems. Actually, we have the responsibility. Now scientists say, basic human nature is more compassionate. And there's plenty of reasons. So basic human nature, not violent. Because compassionate nature, so peace automatically there. Even during, you see, we still, mother's womb, a mother's mind, constant anger, very harmful for unborn child. And then obviously after birth, you see, next few weeks, mother's physical touch is very important factor for proper enlarging child's brain. And then common sense. You see, the externals will say they dress or these things make some differences. But the main thing is human face. Human face, smile there. Then I feel happy. Don't matter how sort of luxury or sort of dignified dress or something without smile. Then I feel, well, no use to spend more minutes with that person. At ancient time, yes, the direct link with small community. Now, today's world, 21st century, now entire world, human being is our community. Then religion also. Religion among all our different professions, religion is the only thing which brings, which carries the message of love and brings inner peace. But religion itself now become one factor to consolidate, separation with people, and causing killing. Unthinkable. So, due to lack of moral principle, religion also become destructive. And then, so therefore, I feel the moral principle. That is, you see, sense of concern for others' well-being. And so today, oneness of humanity. That's the basis of moral principle. Or secular ethics. Secular means here, according to Indian tradition, wonderful. According to Indian tradition, the secular means respect to all religion and also respect to non-believer. That's wonderful. That's really realistic. So therefore, India's constitution also based on secular, isn't it? According to Indian understanding, secular not at all disrespect religion or any religion. So that India's tradition, the moral principle, according to the secular concept, secular ethics, is, I think, very relevant to today's world. I'm a Buddhist monk. I spend every day 4 or 5 hours prayer and meditation, something, and also vipassana, shamatha vipassana. But I don't believe wise of prayer will affect our world. I don't believe. Prayer to Buddha is a benefit to myself, not the community. I don't believe. So therefore, in one way you can describe me a non-believer. If you have opportunity meeting with Buddha or Jesus Christ, Muhammad, and Mahavira, and so on, and ask them, please bring peace on this planet, I think they may say, who created problem? Who created violence? Not created by God, but you, human being. So it is your responsibility to reduce violence and through that way bring peace. So it is our responsibility. We carry all sorts of work to create more violence and meantime pray to God. Contradiction. Science also, we see, now like quantum physics. Quantum physics is a certain concept. These things, external things, does not exist objectively. Everything ultimately related with observer. The ancient Indian knowledge, ancient Indian psychology really have great potential. Firstly, full knowledge about system of emotion. Usually I call map of emotion. Then, with full knowledge, awareness about the map of emotion, then much easier to tackle these destructive emotions, such as anger, hate, like that. Anger and compassion, we cannot go together. Therefore, more compassionate mind there, anger reduce. More anger come, compassionate feeling reduce. So every sort of system, every sort of change due to So now here, I often used to tell in this country, in India, you already have very good knowledge about our mind or emotion. Now, this knowledge, when you modernize, so you also, you see, too much pay attention about material value. So modern India's, way of thinking, way of life, and including modern education is very much oriented about material value. This is not adequate. Existing modern education system will not be guaranteed to develop happy society, happy individual, happy nation. So now you must pay more attention about our 1,000-year-old ancient Indian tradition about emotion, knowledge about emotion, and knowledge how to tackle emotion. India, as I mentioned earlier, is a very religious-minded nation, but most cases, religion is just ritual and prayer. That's not the real level of religion. Real level of religion is transform our emotion. That will not take by prayer, faith, but must use our intelligence. In order to use our intelligence, we need more knowledge how to tackle these things, how to prove this destructive emotion is so destructive, and the positive emotion so because of the useful. This intelligence, our brain. So therefore, now one of my commitment last now few years, I fully committed to try to revive all these ancient Indian knowledge about inner world and combine two things. If you permit me, I want to speak few words in Tibetan to them. Yeah, come on,我是缺少方的先生，包括这样的旅行资料的，我有旅游方的资料呢，就是对我结合我绝对不做了，我那传那个所有行情的、小接触的，都是的，这就是吧，是吧？马上是培育所对高的，这个是我是培育的，我能怎么就对高了？香港这个的、香港这个高的这些都是呢，越来越全了，是吧？对马上我是这样的事。我们的历史上历史的天湾的历史嘛，想对吧？你现在这个想对吧？你引起是条件，电影上的也嘛的，像这些音乐，在哪里的区域，马上是台湾还是不是当地晓得，还让任何的地方了，包清楚清楚的带不下去的，这些就不要说了。第一，这些吃上就在培养好地方，第二是每人包起来的。是吧？你培育说是热心对得起有点的，你看看我说刚才我两年没去学的，对这一个他的一年，然后在我出去了，刚刚下车来的，培育每人领导的，培育每人看到包的来了，是吧？但第二呢，到上不是头。超大的这些的，老出去吃的这些啊，培养到或者戏剧的，开始往上考不下去，上了领导，这个是培育领导的发生的那个团队，就说，他就超了那重要的，然后在山顶都是吧，然后讲的领导全部在全部是加起来的，这些的基本上不是同。方面就是这里，第一些这个开销，是吧？第二个可以理解，我是专业差别的，我是刚刚切实的俱乐部的，我是可以理解领导的，可以理解，并且 저분이가 땡기고 싶어. 그래서 그냥 뽑아 주고 제대로다. 그래서 그냥 뽑아 제 마제제 그냥 여다 대기야. 그래서 아주 생각 땡기는 거는 뽑아 제 아주 수직 직무도 슈무도 샤게. 그래서 도시야. 아니 말하자면 너를 시행이 되게 내려야 되겠다. 너무 자하는 준비를 해. 자하는 영화. 나 그런 쪽으로 보면 누가 ben 나중에 개별 오수 때문에 보셔야 돼. 생각을 했다. 생각을 뒤에 얼마나 많이 나와. 저 딸때 가면 전부 이제는 없어요. 저 들이 일단 아주 교지 생기서 등류 시행이었지. 등류 시행 뒤판에 아주 별 매력이 로또라는 시행한다. 뒤에 영향을 내겠어요. 다시 샤코니 댄스 뒤로 시행이야. 양아도 별 매력을 정리 정말 장면이 생각을 해도 쏘기를 되게 떠들고 싶어요. 뒤에 아주 여러 시험이나 아주 저번에 비가라 원하지 가서가 나머지 때지 때리는 거. 아니 아주 로컬 공이나 표현을 리스트시지. 다음에 폰스 그렇지. 에 데리고서 그 천수기관의 여러 소와 부대가 있어. 마음과리야만 최대 시간에 타원도 되는 그리스. 그 지자. 이때의 영수이다. 그래서 그 딸기 영화는 아주 처지는 뽑아봐요. 니는 등급 시행이 이렇지. 이거 별다른 투명이 됐다. 시행은 저분이가 매년 대수제니까 자, 로스치 도마시죠. 그래서
Thank you, Your Holiness. Let's
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मा संस्थापनार्थाय संभव